Another way that you can access information is to look at our Overdrive digital collection. We access that through the school catalogue. So again, a reminder to get there, we click on School Portal, Library Catalogue in the links. Scroll down the page a little bit and find the digital library link. Click on it. We're part of a consortium that is most of the Catholic schools in New South Wales, so the budget for the digital library is growing all the time. We now have tens of thousands of books in this collection. Books range from non-fiction to fiction and start from kindergarten all the way through to adult, so it's worthwhile having a browse. Just on this home screen, I'll quickly explain to you the symbols, and again, they're pretty self-explanatory. So this means it's a book. If that was greyed out, it would mean that the book's borrowed. Headphones mean that it's an audio book, and again, if that was greyed out, it means that it's been borrowed. The best way to access our non-fiction collection is through the Subjects tab. Non-fiction is probably the collection that's being developed the most at the moment. So have a look at that. Let's have a look and see what they've got in terms of books for mathematics at the moment. And you'll see there's a few there. Again, you can see on this screen those little logos. So this one up here, when I move the cursor away from it, tells me that it is borrowed at the moment. Most of the borrowing lengths for these books is 3 weeks, and at the end of 3 weeks they are automatically returned. Now let's have a look at how easy it is to borrow. So I've just put my cursor onto it, I've clicked borrow, then puts it in the checkouts. If I don't want the title, I can return it here. I'm allowed to borrow 6 items. Go to checkouts. Okay, I can read it in my browser, which means I have to be online, or I can download a copy of the book. To return it, I click there. It asks me, do I want to rate it? Am I sure that I want to return it? And yes, I am. This is my account page. So I can see any checkouts that I have, any reserves that I might have, if I've created lists, or if I've made notes on texts. Okay, so books that I've checked out. Click back to the main screen. Okay, and you'll see that that's changed from when we were there before. So that's the Overdrive digital library. There's also an app that you can download that allows you to access the library on an e-reader, on your mobile phone, on an iPad. If you need help with that, please ask.